The 232nd Sarasota Guide Dogs class has graduated. Yesterday, 9 visually impaired students graduated with their guide dogs. The free training program has been matching visually impaired students with trained guide dogs for more than 30 years. Program volunteers raise and train the dogs from birth. Then students of the program live on campus and train the guide dogs specifically matched with them. For 26 days, learning 40 commands the dogs are taught to perform. Corporal Michael Jernigan was the first recipient of a guide dog through the Paws for Patriots program.
And we've been around for 33 years and we're very good at what we do, and we create guide dogs and we create guide dog teams and we allow people to regain their independence.
The program operates on the funding of donors and does not receive any government funding.